विशाल निशुल्क निःशक्त जन सामूहिक विवाह समारोह 16 से 17 मई 2015 को नारायण सेवा संस्थान उदयपुर द्वारा आयोजित होने जा रहा है। इस विवाह समारोह में सभी धर्म के युवक युवतियों का विवाह उनके धर्म के अनुसार ही किया जाएगा। निःशक्त जोड़े अपना ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन नारायण सेवा संस्था की वेबसाइट www.narayanseva.org पर जाकर करा सकते हैं। Humble appeal for disabled by birth and handicapped children. For 101 children, £3,610. For 40 children, £1,510. For 5 children, £210. For 1 child, £50. Give financial support to handicapped and poor to stand up in life. Give your contribution for mobile repairing, home appliances repairing, computer course, tailoring diploma, hardware and networking courses, etc. For 1 candidate's training amount, £80. For 3 candidates training amount, £240. For 5 candidates training amount, £400. Mass marriage of handicapped and poor free of cost, and Kanyadan contribution amount 51,000 rupees. For more inquiry, you can contact at our toll-free number Narayan Seva Sansthan UK 8000 563 113. In Europe and UK, you can contact Birmingham Mr. Kulbhushan Rai Parashar 0781 5430 077. Leicester Jagjeevan Bhai Mistry 011 622 17427. Dr. Pramod Patel 075 044 58048. Mrs. Rashmi Ben 079 098 60770. Leeds Mr. Basant K. Mistry 07713 791 877. Bradford Mr. Baldev Krishan 0127 4307 811. Reading Mrs. Sarla Bain Kakkar 0775 3527 467. London Mr. Hasmukh Kohil 0783 1230 112. Ilford Mrs. Lalita Gautam 0791 2610 679. Preston Mr. Sukha Bhai D. Mistry 0177 2824 269. Germany Mr. Brij Mohan Arora 0694 0143 932. Belgium Mr. Ranjit Sangvi 0475 605 111. Italy Mr. Dharmendra Kumar 0333 2966 233. Donors around the world can directly contact Mr. Prashant Agrawal, Global President, Narayan Seva Sansthan Udaipur 919928744444. Respected donors, we are glad to inform you that Narayan Seva Sansthan UK has been registered as a charity organization in UK. We request you to send your donations to Narayan Seva Sansthan UK. Kindly deposit your donations in the bank as per detail. Our bank is Lloyds Bank. Sort code 309290. Account number 273645668. Your good self can donate through all types of credit cards on the website of the organization at www.narayanseva.org. Narayan Seva Sansthan Udaipur. Our email address info@narayanseva.org. Our website www.narayanseva.org. Our India address Narayan Seva Sansthan, Sector 4, Hiran Magri, Udaipur 313002, Rajasthan, India.
Om Chetanamanaya Avachetanamanaya Adichetanamanaya Namaha.
चेतन मनाय अधिचेतन मनाय नमः।
शांति, समभाव और सचेतता जिन मानवों के अंतर मन में निवास करती है, ज्ञान बुद्धि विनम्रता जिन देवियों के अंतस्थल में विराजा करती है, उत्साह उमंग और आह्लाद जिन नवयुवकों की भुजाओं में थिरकता है, और उन सभी को प्रणाम करते हुए आइए चेतन मन अपनी पलकों को पुनः खोल लें। 30 सेकंड में 24 बार बंद होने वाली और खुलने वाली ये पलकें। चेतन मन अर्थात कर्मयोग। हम भोजन करते हैं, हम कर्म करते हैं, आप जॉब करते हैं, आप उद्योगपति हैं, आप व्यवसाय करते हैं, आप किन्हीं के मुखिया है परिवार के, आप सज्जन हैं, आप व्यापारी हैं, आप क्षत्रिय हैं, आप ब्रह्मचारी हैं, आप वानप्रस्थी हैं, आप सन्यासी हैं, सभी चेतन मन वालों को प्रणाम करता हुआ आइए अब चेतन मन को समझने। जब रात्रि काल को निद्रा में जाते हैं, प्रलय काल हो गया, नित्य प्रलय। आप कहोगे महाराज ये प्रलय की बात बतलाओ, हमें डर लगता है, रात को सोते हो तो क्या होता है? स्वप्न में राजा भिखारी बन गया। राजा जनक चक्रवर्ती सम्राट 3 दिन का भूखा प्यासा और कच्चे और जले हुए चावल को जब कुत्ते ने झपट पड़ा तो स्वप्न में भी रोने लग गया। ये स्वप्न की अवस्था, नित्य प्रलय, अवचेतन मन। आइए अधिचेतन मन की जागृति करें। वैराग्य का, ज्ञान का, सेवा का, करुणा का, सच्चाई की हरड़ का, बंधुत्व की बहेड़े का, आत्मीयता के आंवले का, प्रेम के पत्तों का मन जैसे हमारे पीपल। जैसे गीता जी में भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा, अर्जुन मैं वृक्षों में पीपल का वृक्ष हूँ, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन ही देना है।
मानव बनकर मानवता का कर कुछ ऐसा काम रे, नर नारायण जहाँ बिराजे, तीरथ सेवा धाम रे, तीरथ सेवा धाम रे।
Hi, this is Bappy Lahiri. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, तो झूमो तो नाचो तो मेरे साथ नाचो गाओ। I am a disco dancer. Keep watching MATV. I love MATV. Bappida, your Bappida.
You're watching MATV, your channel of choice.
Enjoy the new offer from Leica Mobile. Call India Landlines and Mobiles for just 1p a minute with any top-up. Also get unlimited calls and texts from Leica Mobile to Leica Mobile. For your free Leica Mobile SIM, visit leicamobile.co.uk today. Leica Mobile. Call the world for less. Terms and conditions apply.
Gateway Gazette is a program about Christian minorities throughout the world. We focus especially on Christian minorities in India and in Pakistan. Watch us on this channel every Thursday, 8:15 p.m. London time.
हर शरीर अपने स्वास्थ्य के लिए कभी न कभी जाने अनजाने आयुर्वेद का प्रयोग करता है। मैं डॉक्टर रोहन नागर आपके स्वास्थ्य के लिए आयुर्वेद से संबंधित सारी जानकारियां लेकर हाजिर हूं। देखना ना भूलिए आयुर्वेदा हेल्थ फॉर ऑल ऑनली ऑन MATV।
मैं ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹਰਜਾਬ ਤੇ ਹਰੇਕ ਮੰਡੇ 7 ਵਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੀਆਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ NRIਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦੇ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਹੈਗੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅਫੈਕਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ। So let's talk with Harjab.
We love you.
welcome to London, both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Rambi, yesterday the atmosphere at Feltham Cineworld was absolutely mad. I remember one person won a prize and he was
So bad. So two people in a relationship and their life after a break.
And how was it working with Imran? Because it's the first time you worked with him.
किस्मत कब क्या करेगी किसको पता है। खुशी गम शुभ अशुभ दुख सुख आपकी किस्मत का हाल किस्मत कर्मा के साथ आपके अपने चैनल MATV पर।
Very good evening. I hope you're enjoying your Saturday. Once again, warm welcome to my show Forgotten Minority of Pakistan with रुमेल गुलजार. And दुनिया में कहीं भी आप देख रहे हैं आपको रुमेल का प्यार भरा सलाम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, जय मसीदी, and very good evening and good morning and good afternoon wherever you're watching MATV Sky Channel 793 and via online. So today on Forgotten Minority of Pakistan, we're going to discuss especially Pakistani Christians suffering in Thailand. So I hope many of you know a lot of Pakistani Christians, they travel to Thailand seeking asylum. While they're seeking asylum, they are having a lifestyle like they are prisoner. So Pakar News went a few weeks back and produced a little short package here, short report about them, their lifestyle. And around 4,000 Pakistani Christian destiny, including children and senior citizen, male and females, where we see they are really having a tough time. When we're talking about Pakistani minority, we're not talking about only Christians. Soon as we see the Ahmadis are suffering there as well, Hindus are suffering there as well, and Sikhs suffering there as well. So today on my, I have a couple of guests, usually I have on the studio, but today I got two telephone people coming on via from Thailand, and one weekend joining us later on from Pakistan. They will be my guest on the phone. But today we're going to open our telephone line straight away where you come on air and share your concern, share your opinion, how we can help those people are suffering, especially in Thailand right now. So there's my friends, I've been there myself in my team, and we see their young kids like 3-month-old, 9-month-old, 1-year-old, they are really having a tough time. So now time to you guys come on board and see what you can help them and bring their life. And the kids that can't go to school, a lot of parents can't work, can't feed themselves and their family. So we're going to show you a little report and about 5-6 minutes where we went 2 weeks before in Thailand. Personally myself, I visited various different places where Pakistani Christian are residents, and some of them living in really kind of, I'll say, in sorry states, and some of them kids are they have no treatment. They broken their arm, broken their legs while during the play, and they can't afford to even go to hospital because Thai government not giving them any status they can have a treatment. So how they can survive. So this we're going to be mainly discussing on this show today 3 major issues: how they can feed themselves, how they can survive, and what is the solution for this. And today, as I say, I have no any studio guest. All of you who watching this show, Forgotten Minority of Pakistan, today we're going to discuss especially Pakistani Christians suffering in Thailand. We're going to watch that short report, and straight after that we will open the telephone line, and you are most welcome to come and join me.
Millions of tourists flock to Thailand every year, lured by the sandy beaches and natural beauty. The capital, Bangkok, is one of Asia's most vibrant cities, but what holidaymakers don't see is the harsh reality enjoyed by so many on a daily basis. Shackled like criminals, these are Pakistani Christian asylum seekers. 16-year-old Zarish Gill is one of 4,000 Pakistani Christian asylum seekers in Thailand.
Almighty God, I pray for all the asylum seekers struggling in Thailand.
Her family fled Pakistan because they lived in constant fear of their lives. Minorities there are targeted by hardline Muslims because of their faith. Zarish now lives in Bangkok with her parents.
I miss my friends. I miss them a lot, especially my best friends. They play, they laugh, they share their feelings. I actually miss that, those moments. Here, I've made many friends, and they are so heart-touching friends. They care a lot. They remind me of my previous friends. But still, I miss my friends, my families, our traditions, our gigglings and our mischiefs and many other things.
This local Thai church plays an important role in the lives of asylum seekers here in Bangkok. They come to pray and support each other. They share a simple dream to live in freedom. Munir Bashir told Pukar News he and his family came to Thailand from Pakistan for protection. He said he was frightened for their safety.
So much problem for the Christians. Recently we have also heard about the problems, and Christians are burned there, and they have to killed in our school. Children have to kill also. So now we are in Thailand, and we are asked to UNHCR for asylum, and now we are waiting for what UNHCR do for us.
In Pakistan, Christians are despised by extremists. Here in Thailand, many like Munir end up being arrested and locked up inside the immigration detention centre known as the IDC. He spent 7 months inside with his wife and 2 children, and he said the conditions were horrific, cramped, dark and hot.
My IDC experience is so much bad, I can't explain it, because when I see my children there in IDC, I can't explain this, because they are in prison and they have nothing. Whenever we spend 7 months in IDC, but still my daughter have to face some problem, flu, khansi, a cough, and she has to still a skin problem. We talk to doctors many times, but they don't give any proper treatment. In one room, I am telling you, there are 58 Christians, and other nations are also there, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, Muslim Ahmadis, because they are also persecuted there.
This is the merciful fruit from King David to Jonathan.
Francis Sandhu arrived in the capital a year ago. A road accident left him with serious injuries to his leg, and he struggles to walk. Francis was a successful businessman in Pakistan, but suffered daily threats for 5 years. But an encounter with a stranger was the final straw. He decided enough was enough.
A person came at my home and threatened my son. Give us 20 lakh rupees. If you not give, we'll kill you, we'll threat you. I feel that I was bearing all the things on my behalf, myself, but now it's come upon my children, so I cannot bear that. So must I have to leave my country, because it's come upon my children now, so I cannot bear the loss of any children. Because of that, I left my country.
Francis thought coming to Thailand would help to transform his life, but like other asylum seekers, he's struggling to survive.
We cannot work here because we have no visas. If we don't have visa, we cannot work, we cannot do job. How can we welfare our family? How can we survive? If we do not have job, if we don't have work, how can we survive? How can we pay our house rent? How can we afford our food expenditure?
Farouk Saif is a businessman who runs a group that supports asylum seekers in Thailand. It's helped countless people who've been arrested and provided them with food and essential items. He believes more needs to be done by the authorities.
International community has to put pressure on Thai government to not to arrest the asylum seekers, because asylum is not a crime. It is a right of any individual or a family or a group.
Pukhar News spoke to a spokesman from the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, who said the UNHCR goes to great lengths to assist those who are seeking asylum, and they have to be strict in recognising who is a genuine refugee and who is not.
So what UNHCR tries to do is to, give asylum seekers and refugees certificates or documents to say that these are people of concern to UNHCR. They should not be arrested or detained. UNHCR has tried to speed up registration so that at least people will have asylum seeker certificates in their hands that they can show to the Thai authorities if they're ever stopped on the streets. It means that there is now a long waiting time for the next step, which is to interview and determine if somebody is a refugee. There is a danger if we speed it up too much, then the whole process, the integrity could be compromised.
These children are unable to go to school like other youngsters. Instead, they play and learn with their parents. Zarish would love to work as a journalist, but she's uncertain about the future. And one day, she'd love to return to the country of her birth.
I don't think we'll be able to go there, because we are afraid to go there. That if we'll ever go to Pakistan, they'll kill us. We're so much threatened.
Welcome back to the show, and you're watching Forgotten Minority of Pakistan with Ramil Gulzar on Sky Channel 793 and worldwide wherever you're watching. Once again, welcome to the show. अभी जब हमने वीडियो चलाई, अगर इसमें थोड़ा सा आपको प्रॉब्लम हुई है, वीडियो पूरी नहीं चली, तो we will definitely play back. I just heard from the producer, we fully played, we just had a little technical problem. So जी हाँ दोस्तों, अभी आपने जो वीडियो देखी है, ये 2 हफ्ते पहले हम थाईलैंड में थे पूरी अपनी टीम के साथ, और ये हमने कैप्चर किया है उनके जो इस वक्त पाकिस्तानी क्रिश्चियन जो पूरे थाईलैंड में खासकर बैंकॉक में जो सफ़र कर रहे हैं. तो आप अभी लाइनें हमने खोल दी हैं, और अगर आप फ़ोन पर आना चाहते हैं या कुछ भी कोई भी बात करना चाहते हैं कि how we help those people who are suffering in Thailand right now, who's seeking asylum. So guys, as I say, there's the needs, their surviving issues, their education issues, their health issues and medical issues. So please come on air and share your concern, share your view, how we can help them. So this right now our chance to speak about them. We always look after ourselves, but now I believe our time to look after people who's really, really suffering, especially Pakistani Christian in Thailand. So जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि 4,000 के करीब लोग हैं जिनमें से, so that figure is 4,000 come from the different media source, and UNOS को भी उनका भी हमने इंटरव्यू किया, उनसे हमने पूछा भी कि how many people they saying they have no clue how many people are there, but for हमारे साथ पहली कॉल जुड़ेंगे, हम उसको वेलकम कहते हैं शो पे. वेलकम टू द शो. हेलो, गुड इवनिंग.
हेलो, जय मसीह की. जावेद अनायत लेस्टर से बात कर रहा हूँ. रमेल गुलजार
जी. जावेद साहब, वेलकम टू द शो. जय मसीह दी.
मैंने अभी जो वीडियो देखी है, बहुत दुख हुआ है किस तरह हमारे बहन भाई थाईलैंड में रह रहे हैं. तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपकी कोशिशों की तारीफ करता हूँ. वेल डन. आपने बहुत मीडिया के थ्रू फिल्म के जरिए हमें बताया है कि किस तरह प्रोसिक्यूशन थाईलैंड में हो रही है और किस तरह वो जिंदगी गुजार रहे हैं. तो क्या आप बताएंगे कि हम किस तरह अपने मसीही बहन भाइयों की मदद कर सकते हैं?
जी साहब, बहुत शुक्रिया आपने कॉल किया. सबसे पहले जो आपने क्वेश्चन किया, आज का जो मकसद है, स्टूडियो में गेस्ट नहीं है, आप लोगों ने बताना कि हम इन लोगों की किस तरीके से मदद कर सकते हैं. उन लोगों को इस वक्त अर्जेंट उनकी ज़रूरत है फाइनेंशियली, क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो काम नहीं कर सकते. हाउ वी कैन हेल्प देम, हाउ वी कैन हेल्प देम पुट देयर फूड इन देयर टेबल, और बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा रहे, और वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे लोग मैंने देखे हैं कि जो बीमार हैं, उनके पास पैसे नहीं हैं कि वो अपना इलाज करवा सकें. तो ये अब आप लोगों ने आके ऑन एयर या आप देखें कि आप बताएं कि हाउ वी कैन हेल्प देम. मैंने आपको बता दें उनकी सबसे पहली नीड है कि हाउ दे कैन सर्वाइव. तो आप बताएं कि किस तरीके से हम
मेरे
सपोर्ट कर
ख्याल
सकते
में
हैं।
मैं आपको दावत दूंगा कि जब आप भी लेस्टर आए हमारे चर्च में, तो हम जैसे भी फाइनेंशियली तौर पर जिस कदर मुमकिन हो सके हम आपके साथ हैं, क्योंकि आप वहां जाकर आप उनकी बेहतर जरूरियात को समझ सकते हैं।
तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि ये जो मैसेज है अपने चर्च में या अपनी कम्युनिटी में या कहीं भी अपने दोस्तों के सर्कल में, तो प्लीज़ इसको वी हैव टू बी एक्शन नाउ, नॉट next year, next week. Now we have to action now. And thank you very much, Juvesa, for your call and your concern. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for car news.
Thank you. जी हाँ दोस्तों, अभी हमारे जो पहले कॉलर थे जुवेद अनायस साहब, उन्होंने लेस्टर से फ़ोन किया। जुवेद अनायस साहब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप जिसने पूछा कि हम किस तरह उनकी मदद कर सकते हैं। जैसे इस वीडियो में भी हमने दिखाया है कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनके पास खाना के लिए पैसे नहीं हैं, वो अपने बच्चों को फीड सही तरीके से नहीं कर सकते। यस, देयर इज़ अ couple of organizations working very hard, and I will want to say thank you on air, especially Farag Foundation. They're working very hard, and especially for the Thai pastor and Papa Thom Chai. Papa Thom Chai, if I'm pronouncing his name is wrong, please forgive me that. They're working really hard, but Papa Thom Chai is a very small, he's got a church and small resources. He can't feed 4,000 families, so we should step into and help them, those suffering people right now. So आज का जो जैसे पाकिस्तानी मिनॉरिटी की हम बात करते हैं, तो पाकिस्तानी मिनॉरिटीज़ is not only Christian, they are suffering Hindu, Sikh, Ahmadis. So especially today program, because we just been to Thailand with the Pakarnis, with my team, and we were there for 2 weeks, and we had a good digging around, and they're really suffering. There is suffering because yes, they are seeking asylum. As I say, asylum is anybody or group, individuals have right to seek asylum if they are having any kind of threats in their home country, the birth country. So how we can help them? Please guys, come on here and very open discussion, and I'd love to hear from you for your opinion and how we can help them. You can spread out this word in your church, in your community, and right now they are really suffering. और कुछ दोस्तों मैं आपसे बात शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। फेसबुक में काफ़ी मैसेज चल रहे हैं आजकल कि फेसबुक में ये कहा जाता है कि यहाँ पे फेसबुक या सोशल मीडिया की डिबेट नहीं है, यहाँ पे वाकई बच्चों की और इंसानों की ज़िंदगी का मसला है कि वहाँ पे लोग सफ़र कर रहे हैं। कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काम कर रही है, ये नहीं कर रही, ये कर रही है। We don't want to have to go to that route. We don't want to go to that debate. All we want to do, how we can help them. जो भी कोई कहीं भी कोई थोड़ा बहुत कर रहा है, मेरे ख्याल से सभी ही अच्छा कर रहे हैं। इस शो का मकसद नहीं है कि हम किसी भी गवर्नमेंट को या किसी भी अदारे को तनकीद करें या किसी को तनकीद का निशाना बनाएं। So today we are sitting here to asking an humble request to you how we can help those Pakistani Christians and minorities, Pakistani minorities suffering in Thailand while they're seeking asylum. Seeking asylum is not a crime, but at the minute Thai government are treating them like a criminal, as you can see there. But once again, big thank you to Farag Foundation, who's doing a fantastic job, and Papa Thom Chai, he's a local Thai pastor who's try his best to help them. So जब मैंने वहाँ था अपना लास्ट वीक, तो मैं आपको बयान नहीं कर सकता कि आई कांट शो एवरीथिंग ऑन एयर, और हार्ट ब्रोकन जब मैं लोगों के घरों में गया और वो डरते थे कि हम कैमरा भी उनके घर में लेके जाते थे, दे विल रिफ्यूज़ बिकॉज दे सो फ्राइटन, बिकॉज वो सोचते थे शायद किसी वक्त भी पुलिस आ सकती है, इमिग्रेशन आ सकती है, मे बी दे फॉलोइंग अस, और so they living in a very difficult position. So please come on air and share your concern, like Javed came from Leicester, and he said so he going to share that word from his church, and love to we want to come support from you this time. मैं जब भी मैंने शो कभी किया, मैंने आपसे कभी भी किसी चीज़ की अपील नहीं की, लेकिन इस वक्त मैं ये अपील करूँगा कि वहाँ पे जितने भी दोस्त बहन भाई हमारे पाकिस्तानी क्रिश्चियन सफ़र कर रहे हैं, वी शुड दिस इज़ आवर ड्यूटी, दिस आवर जॉब, एंड गो एंड सपोर्ट देम। और वो सपोर्ट आप किस तरह करते हैं, वो अपने चर्च से कंसिडर करें कि हाउ यू वांट टू सेंड योर सपोर्ट टू देम, और यहाँ पे ये सोचें कि हम यहाँ पे उनकी आवाज़ किस तरह रेज़ कर सकते हैं। वी विल टॉक टू आवर लोकल MP, they can do something about it. देखें जब भी कोई बात होती है कि बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं जी हम दुआ कर रहे हैं, हाँ दुआ करना भी अच्छी बात है, लेकिन नो वी हैव टू टेक एक्शन। अभी हम छोटी सी एक ब्रेक की तरफ जाएंगे और ब्रेक के बाद वापस आएंगे और फिर आपसे बात करेंगे कि वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे ग्रुप भी हैं जो ये आपस की लड़ाई झगड़े लेके बैठे हैं कि ये कुछ कर रहे हैं सही, ये गलत कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आई विल टेलिंग द ट्रूथ